been using a mixer just like this one here for about 5 years, and it worked great. I was really impressed with it, especially for being an affordable mixer. And now that it is finally dead, I needed another one, and I wanted to get the exact same kind, but we're gonna try to make some improvements and see if we can make it a little bit better out of the box. Ooh, look at those mixing blades. Okay, I guess we're gonna open the instructions. All right, we got this thing assembled. Now let's talk about some things that I like about it, and let's talk about some things that I don't like that we need to improve. I really like this plastic drum. It's easy to clean, and if any stuff gets stuck in it, you can smack it with a hammer and it won't get dented. I really like this motor. It seems to be heavy duty, and this gearbox right here never failed on my old machine. It just kept on going. I really like how easy it is to tip this thing over once you have stuff in it and dump it out. That's really easy. Maybe one of my favorite things about this is that it is lightweight and portable, and I can put it in the back of the truck by myself. That's pretty nice. I really like this amazing blue color because blue is my favorite color. Okay, that's all the good. Now let's talk about the bad. The first failure I had with this machine is this mechanism right here that locks the machine from being able to tilt forward while you're mixing. The next thing that failed was this connection between this cast iron piece and this part of the frame. And lastly, all the other frame connections just got kind of loose and wobbly over time until the whole thing was about to fall apart. All right, so check out our new anti-tip bracket here. Upgraded. Ray, dude, how did you make all these awesome cuts?
It's my little secret.
All right, so here's the fun part, coming up with creative ways to fix these problems so that we don't have frustrations on the job site. First off, the little lever here. We're gonna replace that with a cool looking piece of metal here that is gonna mount on here. And I had an old pin, and we're gonna just have a pin right here that locks this thing from raising up. Problem one, fixed. Problem number two, this big failure right here in this piece. We just took some scrap pieces of metal, drilled some holes in it. We're gonna bolt that on the front and the back, and then weld down here. I think that'll reinforce this area pretty good. And the last thing is just reinforcing the frame in places with these little gussets out of a scrap piece of my old lawnmower, okay? Here we go. We've got little plates that are gonna go here in these corners. That's gonna be good, make it stronger. And then this bigger plate right here will go right there and weld it, and I might tack a few welds into this. All right, here's our gusset plate to fix the wobbliness. We've got a really strong reinforcement here to secure that connection. And then my favorite part, we got this awesome locking thing here. All right, Ray, show us how this thing works. So we've got a pin, okay, now lift the machine there. Nice, okay, back down. Good, now I'm gonna point out that this pin goes in at an angle because this thing will be hopping up and down and vibrating, and the angle there, that'll ensure, or maybe ensure, that the pin stays in place during operation. Alright, well this is a wrap here for my review and assembly of this fine Kobalt portable mixer. In my opinion, this thing went from a 3-star to a 5-star today, and I'm looking forward to many years of service that this machine is going to give me. Every carpenter's got dirty laundry. You got your old rags, throw them in. You got your red shirts, throw them in. And then you got your white shirts, throw them in. You got some soap, throw it in. I don't know why, but my wife doesn't let me do laundry in the house. I'm not sure why, but whatever. Man. Hey, my laundry's all done. There's nothing else to do but dump it in a bucket.